Hi everyone, we are so glad you're here with us today. Rachel is doing the cutest design just in time for Halloween. So if you've seen our previous video on chromes, we're trying to show you different ways to use those beautiful chrome powders. And today, Rachel is going to use them as a paint. So she's putting down some Magpie Give Me Strength, and then using her detailer, she's just going to mix those three different colors into those three different pools of Give Me Strength. And that is what she's going to use to make this adorable design. I think it's one of the most satisfying things to watch people do line work, and Rachel is a pro at line work. So once she finishes this spider web, she's going to lock this into place for 10 seconds, and then she's going to create her second spider web, lock that for 10 seconds, and then after she creates her third spider web, she is going to give this a full cure for 60 seconds. I love how creative Rachel is and how she thought to use these chrome powders in a different way to make such a beautiful Halloween nail art design. These particular chrome powders are from the Iconic Chrome collection and can be found for North America at magpiebeautyusa.com. Now once she finishes this design, she's going to give this a full 60-second cure, then apply a layer of Magpie Don't Be Tacky, which is a super shiny no wipe top coat. It also needs a 60-second cure, and then she covered one in matte. Isn't that so gorgeous? Love it.